Welcome to Eric C Productions. This is another cooking video on my channel, and today I am going to make Olive Garden style Capellini Pomodoro, which is a simple tomato herb style pasta. So this is what you're gonna need. I am a fan of the Olive Garden, and I've been going there for years, and pretty much whenever I go to the Olive Garden, I only order one thing. It's the Capellini Pomodoro, and basically it's a garlic pasta, tomato herb and garlic pasta. And I decided, you know what, I'm gonna try to do it myself, save some money, and who cares about the ambiance, right? So this is my take on the Olive Garden. This is basically what you're gonna need. You're gonna need olive oil, penne rigatoni or rigate, black pepper, salt, basil, some tomatoes. I mean, usually you can use Roma tomatoes, but these are the only tomatoes I had. A brown onion or a yellow onion, and you're gonna need about 4 cloves of garlic. So the first step is to boil some water, which I'm doing already, and I'm gonna add this. So I'm gonna prepare this while I start on the other items. Start off with this. Just stir occasionally for about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm kind of lazy like that, so instead of me chopping them up, mincing up the garlic, you can see all the garlic's all minced up already. I've already cut up the onions, so what I'm going to do is take the yellow onions and I'm going to caramelize them on the stove. I'm going to cook the garlic first, and then I'm going to go with the onion. Okay, I diced up 5 tomatoes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this with the pasta. Sometimes I have leftover seeds, so I try to be economical and green and replant the seeds because you know, get another batch in the future. And I take these peels and I give it to, I have ducks now, believe it or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed these to the ducks because they eat all this stuff too. And no, I'm not talking about the ducks that you see at the pond. We actually have ducks. Okay, I am going to caramelize the onions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with garlic first. So I have the garlic. Let me saute the garlic. And then what I'm going to do is add the onions. And then I'm going to add the onions. Stir it all together. I caramelize the onions with olive oil. So let me do this. No, you don't. In the meantime, while I'm waiting for that to cook, I am going to be. Can you hear my ducks now? I'm going to go ahead and add 1.5 tablespoons. Just added the basil. I'm putting in a ½ teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of olive oil, okay, the onions are caramelized along with the garlic. Kind of want it to look like that. You can go a little bit longer, but I choose to caramelize it like about. Okay, so I mixed all this together, the tomatoes, garlic, not garlic, but the basil. Just cooking this. You can just add this. Okay, I added the onions. Okay, I'm going to take the pasta noodles and just mix it in there. Make sure you coat all of it. Oop, I just lost one. So mix it thoroughly until it's all coated. You can see what it looks like. So there you go. This is tomato herb pasta. And just sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and there you go. You can have restaurant style tomato herb pasta. If you like this video, please hit it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks. Hey, you just watched my video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and please subscribe to Eric C. Productions.